What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KJ, and I'm back with another video, you guys. How y'all doing today, man? How's your Saturday evening going? Mine is going quite fine. But just to go and get right into it, I got to make some shoes. And I got to make some shoes that kind of go with this right here. A while back, I made my wife an outfit. It was a Jack Skellington outfit. And it's like the crew neck sweatshirt with the pants. And I'm going to show you a video of it in just a second to show you where the inspiration for the shoes is coming from. But I made this for her. She liked it. And since she's a real big fan of it, she wants some shoes to match it. Or maybe I came up with the idea. I don't know. But anyway, I'm the one that's got to bring it to life. So I seen something online that was tight on YouTube, and I'm going to try it with the shoes. And I just want y'all, hop in the comments and tell me what y'all think about it. So I'm going to show you that video of what inspired the shoes. Then I'm going to show you the shoes and the material we're going to use to put on the shoes. So, yeah, it's probably going to be some B-roll in this video, but y'all just rock out with your boy, man. You know how we do it when we on that custom side. We ain't reacting today. There's no basketball, there's no cars. So we just straight on that DIY, do it yourself. So yeah, I'm on that, man. I'm on that type of time today. So yeah, check this video out right quick, guys. All right, now y'all see where the inspiration for the shoes is, or the theme for the shoes is coming from by that video. So now I'm going to show y'all the shoes and the material that we're doing the shoes with, and also the adhesive that we're going to use to make the shoes. And yeah, y'all just pay attention, man, because hell, y'all might want to make some yourself of a different character or whatever. So yeah, let's get to that right quick. All right, we're using E6000. We're going to use some Jack Skellington. I'm going to open that up so y'all can see that. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. So this is what the material is going to look like. This is what the material is looking like right here. Yep. So we're going to try to make it work. And these are the shoes we're using. Your boy ain't rich, so I'm going with the Walmarts. You feel me? I might do the Air Force Ones at a later time, but I'm gonna try to rock it out on these. And so we gotta have some masking tape also, but I'll show you that in the video. It'll probably be in the B-roll. I gotta figure out some different shoestrings for this. So yeah, time to make it happen. All right, guys, so those are the supplies. So it's time to get our ass to work, man, because I ain't got all night for this job. I don't like dragging that not too long, so let's get to it. Well, guys, I've been gone probably about 3 hours. I've been on this job about 3 hours. The job got so tedious I had to get my wife glasses.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm just, that's how bad it got. But man, I hope y'all appreciate the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope y'all like the content. I tried to show y'all the shoes at the end, show you the finished product. And it's a little few odds and ends I got to do. Like just making sure any little piece of material are trimmed off. Because when you cut it, sometimes it's going to be slightly over or slightly under. So you want, I think one piece I had to cut twice on the first shoe just to make sure the fit was going to be right. So, yeah, and I didn't use my heat gun. I let them air dry. So I think I'm going to go back and make the shoestrings holes bigger and go with the puffy white strings. I don't know if y'all seen them. They be on the Louis Vuitton shoes or the Air Force One, custom Air Force Ones. It's a thick shoestring. I like that. I like that look. I even tried black shoestrings in there. I didn't show it to you, but to me it didn't look as good, so I went back with the white shoestrings from the factory. So, yeah. But I like how it turned out. Overall, I like how it turned out. It is tedious, and you do have to pay attention to what you're doing. And I thought the stencil for one side does not match. The stencil for one shoe does not match the other shoe. So you will make 4 stencils. That's the best way. I guess when you cut the leather for the shoe, none of it's going to be cut the same. So, yeah, man. Overall, it was a little tedious, but I enjoyed it. So I'm not going to complain. Man, but thank y'all for tuning in with me on this video, man. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. And on the next video, we back to reacting, man. I got something to react to. And yeah, appreciate y'all, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.